Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can wipe code completely for free in Antigravity using kilocode. First of all, you need to open your Antigravity IDE. Then here on the left side you will see this extension, and here in the extension we are going to search for kilocode. You just need to search for kilocode and you will see this logo, kilocode AI coding agent. So it's made by kilocode. So we need to click here, and here you can see we have the install button. So we need to click on install, and we need to trust publisher and install. So it will start installing kilocode inside Antigravity. So here you can see our installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, you will see this kilocode icon at the top over here. So let's just close this, and right now let's go and open a folder. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folder. So let me just create a folder over here. Let's say here the folder name will be free hive Antigravity. You can name the folder anything you want. So I'm going to select this folder, then click here select folder. So it will just open the folder over here. So I'm just going to touch the folder, and right now what we need to do is that we need to open the kilocode chat option. And how can we do it? So here you can see on the left side we have the kilocode chat option. At the same time, if we just search over here kilocode, and here you can see kilocode, so if you just click on this, you will get the same result. Okay, so since it is showing us the kilocode icon over here, so I'm going to click here. So it will open kilocode over here. So right now I want this chat option to be on the right side. So for it, I'm just going to right click here, and I'm going to say here move to secondary sidebar. So it will move the kilocode chat option over here. So here we are going to use the kilocode chat option to be lower side. So here you can see we have the code option. So if you want to make a plan, you can make just select the plan mode, and if you want to ask a question or debug, you can select those options. Okay, so right now here you can see we have auto free. So here you will see a lot of free model that you can use, and you don't have to pay anything for using those free model. But I'll recommend you to choose the auto free option, because depending on your prompt, it will choose the best free AI model from kilocode. Okay, so here I'm going to give a prompt. So I'll just give a simple prompt, and here I'm going to select the plan mode, and I'm going to click here. So based on our prompt, it will generate a plan, and there you can see our plan creation is done. So we are going to implement this. So here it is asking, are you ready to implement? So I'm going to say here yes, continue here with this session, and I'm going to click here submit. So it will automatically select the code option. Here you can see it has switched to code mode. So I'm going to click here submit, and right now it will start writing code for us based on the plan. And here you will also see a lot of model which is paid. So if you want to use the paid model, then you have to pay, but for the free model there is no limit of how much you can use those model. Okay, and here you can see it already generate the folder structure over here, and right now it will write the code for us as well. So I'll just fast forward the video until the website creation is complete. So here you can see our website creation is complete. So it created some folders, and here you can see index.html. So let's go and run the project. So our project was this on free vibe Antigravity. So let's go inside and pen website. So here you can see index.html. If I just double click here, so here you can see we have a website with cool animation and effect with some details as well. So everything looks perfect. And if you want to modify anything, or if you do not like anything, what you need to do is that you just need to go back to your Antigravity and tell your kilocode to make changes at some certain section, and kilocode will do it completely for free, and there is no limit. Okay, you don't have to pay anything to use the free model. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.